Are you shopping for used fleet trucks? Finding the right fleet trucks with the best value is absolutely critical to meet your needs. Truck and Trailer offers a wide variety of high-quality, low-mileage, used fleet trucks with the latest technology. Truck and Trailer can create a customizable program to help in your buying used fleet trucks. Truck and Trailer provides you a dedicated commercial vehicle expert who will work with you one-on-one to help zero in on just the right trucks that you need. If we don't have what you need in stock, we'll find it. Come see our inventory of work-ready vehicles and learn more about our commitment to earning your business. Located on the north side of East I-240, between exits 8 and 9, or visit us online at truckandtrailer.com. You can also call us at 405-912-5800.